So one of the things we talk about throughout the programming videos that we have here is protrusion length and how far the end mill sticks out of the holder. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to set the protrusion length for this 3/8 end mill to match what we have in Solidworks CAM. So we just have a standard dial caliper here, and we're going to come down and we're going to set it to the 3-inch mark. Go ahead and we'll tighten this up just a little bit, and then we'll remeasure it and make sure that we're at the right length. Making sure that this length matches what we have in Solidworks CAM is important because we've already verified that with the tool sticking out of the holder at that depth, we're going to avoid any collisions in the part. So from there, we'll tighten it, and we now have a tool set to the correct protrusion length that we can go ahead and do our tool offset in the machine.